dear students. Today we are going to study our second chapter, that is odd one in. Now you all know that we use odd one out. Whichever is odd, that we keep it aside. Yes? But here in this chapter we are going to study something different. Yes? So this story is about a school wherein a particular girl comes from a village and how the other students treat her in the initial days, and then slowly how she befriends everyone and how she excels in everything. Yes, that we are going to study in today's chapter, odd one in. Take out your textbook and, as I always say, move your fingers accordingly. Page number 3, 1.2, odd one in. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Reema sat down for dinner. Now here the mother is asking Reema, she is the student, and it was her first day. So the mother is asking, how was your day? Okay, Reema shrugged. So Reema was not much interested. She just said, okay. No lessons, just settling. Of course, the first day of the school, the teacher is not teaching. She will make the sitting arrangement. She will ask about the vacations. So similarly, this thing happened in Reema's school also. Any new girls in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. So now who is the father of Reema? Mr. Sen. So he asked, inquired to ask. He asked, is there any new student? Only one, Malti, and she is funny. So Reema is saying, only one. एक ही लड़की है, वो तो बहुत ऐसे funny है. Grimaced Reema as she helped herself to the salad. Grimace means her facial expression was not good when she was taking the name of Malti. Yes? Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. So the father thought something is wrong. So he started asking, why did you say that she is funny? She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Reema, naming one of the other's end of the country. So Reema is saying, oh daddy, she is not even able to speak English. She has come from some other state. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are especially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. So the father is saying, oh, the girl has come from that state. They are very clever, especially they are very good in maths. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Now from the initial conversation itself, we can come to know that Reema is not liking Malti. So she started saying, well, this one does not seem smart at all. Yeah, bilkul smart nahi. Oily hair, bindi and all. Good morning, teacher. Mimicked Reema. So Reema started acting. So the Malti new girl, since she was from some other state, she was not able to speak English, but still she was trying to speak. This Reema started mimicking, acting like her. Her parents exchanged glances, means mother and father just saw each other. Reema was their only child, इकलौती बच्ची थी. They doted on her, so they poured care and love on her. But she could be insufferable at times. But she was very much snobbish and she was very much bad at her behavior. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. So since they were eating, they were having their dinner, so Mr. Sen said, I just hope that you don't trouble Malti very much. Reema and her gang had decided to do just that. So now Reema and her group of friends had always thought of troubling Malti. Next morning, Malti entered the class. They all chorused, good morning. Now see, some children are very bad at behavior. So as soon as the poor little girl Malti entered the classroom, they all chorused. They all told in a chorused way. सब साथ में मिलके. Together, what did they say? Good morning. So in a way they are teasing her. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. See, she was very poor, she was not knowing anything. So she was not knowing that they are making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, "Good morning." So she just turned back and she smiled and said, "Good morning." Yes, she was not knowing that they were making fun of her. See, here we have some new words here. I will write the meanings for them. First one was shrug, raised shoulders. Raised, twisted expression or not good expression. I hope you all are able to see. Then sniff, to show dislike. Mimic, to imitate or imitating, acting. Chorus, said something together. Yes. So I hope this first page is clear. In this first page, that it is clearly shown or clearly told that Rima is a bit snobbish girl. She is a bit not good at behavior and she is troubling a new student. She is Malti. Turn to next page, page number 4. Shehnaz giggled. "Why do you put so much oil on your hair?" she asked rudely. Now Shehnaz is also from Rima's team, Rima's group. So she asked Malti, "Why do you put so much of oil?" Malti looked offended but she did not reply. She was hurt, उसको बुरा लगा, but she thought of not replying. "And the skirt so long," said Claire cattily. So the other girl is Claire. She also started asking, "Why is his skirt so long?" Malti flushed. She was very angry. She was about to say something when teacher entered. She was about to reply back, but the teacher entered, so she kept quiet. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. So as the class progressed, the teacher was asking some questions and the whole class was surprised because Malti had answer for everything. She was raising her hand for all the questions. "Yes, Malti, you answer," said teacher. So teacher gave her the chance and she answered. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. So as the answer was correct, the teacher was happy and she said, "Yes, very good. Your answer is right." When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, "Sounds like a good, clever girl." So Rima had a habit of discussing everything with her parents. So she discussed this thing also with her parents. So the mother said, "Oh, that girl seems to be clever." "What is the use?" said Rima uncharitably. Her English is so atrocious. So she is saying, "इसका क्या फायदा है? But English कितना खराब है, it's so bad." "The same may be said of your Hindi," countered Mr. Seth sharply. Now the father is slowly getting angry. He started saying, "So the same must be told to your Hindi. Your Hindi is also atrocious." He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Now he was not liking Rima's behavior. Even Mrs. Sen did not like it. That night, Rima's and they started discussing about this matter. We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning quite a little snob, said Mr. Sen sadly. So that night they discussed and Mr. Sen is like, we put her in a good school so that she could be confident. But what is happening? She is becoming snobbish, means thinking she is only superior. The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. So the following Saturday there was a inter-house singing competition. Yes, there was a competition. So Rima took part in English song. She was about to sing English song. But she was very surprised to see Malti's name in Hindi song category. So she was like, oh, this girl can sing also. Oily plates sings also, she said snidely to Claire. So she is like, oily plates means choti. Oh, oily बाल वाली plates मतलब चोटी डालने वाली गा भी सकती है. In a way we can understand that Rima was not at all like a Malti. Croaks you mean, giggled Claire. So Claire क्या बोल रहे हैं? Oh, जैसे pig या frog का आवाज है, गंदा आवाज, वैसे गाती रहेगी. God knows. They were proved wrong, but they were completely proved wrong. मतलब as soon as Malti started singing, you will come to understand, you will come to know the next things. What happened? Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang had all decided to jeer when Malti sang, but there was such absolute silence they did not dare to. Now Rima and her friends decided to make fun of her when she was singing. Yes, उन्होंने सोचा कि जोर-जोर से आवाज करेंगे जब वो गा रही है. But what happened? Since she had such melodious voice, everybody were silent. So here, I'll give the meanings of this page. Giggled, laugh in a silly way. Offended, hurt. Offended, hurt. Uncharitably. Unkindly. Atrocious. Very bad. Snob, person who thinks superior. Next, they were sure to get caught. Now what was their plan? What was the plan of the group? To make fun of her, to jeer at her, to make loud noises when she was singing. But they could not open their mouth. Why? Because the full auditorium was quiet as Malti was singing very melodiously. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and the students. So as soon as Malti finished singing, the principal stood up and she started clapping, and then followed the teachers and the students. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. Since Malti's voice was very melodious, so she got the first prize. Of course, Rima also got, but she was not happy. As the term progressed, as the term started going ahead, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. Slowly, everybody got to know that Malti is a very bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. So, in short, she was all-rounder. Her forte was mathematics. Yes, some of your behavior is like that only. If you don't like someone from the appearance, you will not talk to them. Then slowly when you understand, no, she is also very good, she is good at studies, she is behaving well, then only we go and speak to them. Slowly many of the friends began seeking her help in mathematics. Slowly other girls and other friends also started going to her for help in mathematics. Help which she readily and cheerfully gave. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now the girls from the class also befriended her. From the start itself, the teachers were liking Malati. Then slowly, all the students in the class started befriending her. Means उससे friendship करने लगे. Not Reema and her clique though. Still Reema and her group were not liking Malati. They stubbornly disliked Malati. They were not at all liking her. They were a slight, stylish lot, and nothing that Malati did could alter the fact that she was not their type. Reema and her friends were very stylish, yes, but Malati was not like that, and she was not knowing कि मैं क्या करूँ इनसे friendship करने के लिए. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. So they always thought of some or the other things to make fun of her. Malati felt bad about their behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears when Reema mocked at her mercilessly because she said "ux" instead of "ask." Now what happened? One day she was at the verge of tears. रोने आ गई थी वो because she said "ux" instead of "ask." Sometimes some children have the problem in pronunciation. Her voice trembling, Malati said. Now she was about to cry. So when one child is about to cry, उसका आवाज कैसा रहता है? Shaky. I know my English is weak. Yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? मुझे पता है. I know my English is not good. Please, but will you help me in improving my English? I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Reema with an exaggerated accent. So since she was very much proud of her English, she said, no, I will not be able to help you in English. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified type. बोलती तुम्हारे जैसे गाँव में से जो आने वाले, for them speaking English is not at all easy. Abundantly, fully, forte, strength, delight, nimble, next page, children. Malati's face turned red. Now she was very upset. How can these girls always make fun of me? She wanted to retort but could not find the right words. She wanted to say something back, reply her back, but she had no words. She burst into tears and ran off. So she was very much upset that day, and it was her day, so she lost it and she cried and she left. That was horrid, Reema, shared Shehnaz. So Shehnaz, who was from Reema's group, she herself felt that Reema was doing something wrong, something very upset thing for Malati. So she said, that was not correct, that was very bad. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. So Reema's friends, Claire, Shehnaz, they themselves started saying that Reema, you are doing very wrong. Reema was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. So she she was very shocked. Oh my God, my own friends are taking her side and they are saying me that I am doing wrong. She walked off in a huff. So she was very angry. She just walked off. Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. So mother found her during lunch. After coming back from school, mother found her that Rima is subdued. She is low today, but she did not ask her. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. Then at the end, Rima herself understood that yes, I behaved very badly with Malti. She was too proud to admit it even to herself. But she was very proud. She had that ego. So it was not very easy for her to admit it to herself as well as to Malti. Yes. So what is the moral is that we should always keep everyone equally, be it a small poor child or intelligent child. Everybody should be equal in front of us. So whenever we are thinking of making friends, we should not keep anything in our mind and okay, you can be my friend, but no, you cannot be my friend. No, that should not be our attitude. Everyone should be my friend. That should be your attitude. Yes, children? I hope this chapter is clear. I'll save you the question answers in the next lecture. Thank you.